Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Randy, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing your value. One of them is content, second is backlinks, and then you have citations. Now you can have the most beautiful website on Google, but without the right content and keywords, it simply won't rank and you won't get added exposure, the exposure that you're looking for. Many companies build beautiful websites, but fall short when it comes to content and search engine optimization, SEO. Now, understand every time you're typing something into Google, you, as you are typing, are actually typing keywords into Google that they use to look for what you are asking from a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed. Search engine optimization, right? So Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or word that you just typed in the search, and then they categorize the websites. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. Now, here's what I found when I searched for auto repair, auto mechanic done. See, first you have the map pack, call this the map pack, everybody knows that. And when you're searching for the area, you have the map pack. A lot of companies are listed here as strong. Everything underneath is where the ranking structure begins to take place. So when you're looking for your competitors and where they rank, you're not looking at sites or Yelp. It needs to be specific. So, I mean, Yelp is an ad. It's not specific to a competitor. Definitely Black's Tire is. Then you have AAA, that's national. You have Facebook. Your Mechanic, it's not specific. Mechanic Advisor. Looks like you have Johnson's Auto Repair, Johnson's Transmission. Then you're at a blog and you're done. So once you find them, or once I find your competitors, I can put them into a tool that I use, and I can see how they rank and why, and I can compare them to see what you need to be just as successful or even more to put you on top of the exposure list. I mean, let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google, so it's important to have value to be seen there. So we have auto repair, which was Black's, and in the tool that I have, Ahrefs, you can see how strong they are, the backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords. So with this, I can see citations or referring domains. It's anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is shown. Citations also help you rank in the map pack. It's extremely important that you have exposure there. I mean, how many times have you Googled, you know, something near you, restaurant near you, near me, and boom, it comes up on the map. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages. So once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you bring value to your business and move up the ranks. Now, with backlinks, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website from another, and they use that to build trust. So, and then you have also the keywords, and the words that are what you type in is what references this website and how it's ranked. So when you look at auto repair and done, you got Blacks, and it looks like probably Johnson's Transmission. Well, we know Blacks is strong, and then we have Johnson's Transmission, and we have their overview, which they don't have much data here. And then we have you, and I'm not sure what this is. I know when we spoke, you were having a hard time. I don't know what this is, and even the overview of this shows nothing. And even if you click this, it doesn't take you anywhere. it brings you to this random page, but this is Go Powertrain, Automotive SMR. I don't know what this is. So nothing refers to you. I know that you have, what do we have? You had a Facebook. That's right. But you really need a website to put you here. So once, if you were to build a website and you combine your content, your backlinks, and your citations, and they all come together, you start to outrank your competitors, it increases your value. You'll quickly see the value of your business now as it increases. And then with that, you have more exposure. More exposure means more clients, and then it generates more revenue. We could really use a little help here. Not quite sure how this works for you, but I just want to take a few minutes to explain this to you and show you that you can increase your value, you can get more exposure. And with that being said, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Hope you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting some more information, we can talk. I can do some research. I can find out exactly what would be realistic for you so that we could fix this, get you recognized, and go from there. I mean, it'd be great to talk to you. I just wanted to thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a good day, and I hope this helped you out. Thanks.